automates the geographic segmentation process. So it provides you the ability to enter a zip code and a desired radius around that zip code, and then it will automatically populate a static query in the Razor's Edge for you of all your constituents within those parameters. So where you might be spending countless hours to pull those complicated queries using a protractor or maybe even another application, it now is very quick and easy to do using Record Radar. I've found that Record Radar has been especially useful for organizations doing segmentation for alumni, mailings, events, even major gift officers, but it can really be used for any organization that has an interest or need to easily segment their constituents by a geographic location. So let's jump into a demonstration. I'll show you exactly what I'm speaking about here. You'll notice here that I'm in the Razor's Edge. I'm in my plugin section, and I'm going to open up Record Radar. The first thing we need to do is specify what the central zip code is that we want to use. So I'm going to use a local zip code here. And then we need to specify the radius around that zip code that we want to search. So I'm going to say 150 miles. We can include only preferred addresses. We can also include or exclude organizational addresses if we want. We can additionally specify which address types we want to include or exclude from the search results. Now these address types are pulling directly from your organization's address types that you have within the Razor's Edge, so it will be unique to you. We can simply exclude them by just unchecking those boxes. And then once we've established all of our criteria, we simply click Search, and Record Radar is going to find all of those constituents for us. So you'll see here that it found 24 records within 150 miles of 29403. Now we can simply click Create, and it creates the static query for us within Razor's Edge. You'll note that Record Radar here went ahead and populated the query name and query description with the important information about our parameters. It also went ahead and specified the central city that we were searching around. You can alter this information if you'd like. I'm going to just simply save it. And then when I want to view my results, I again quickly hit View. We'll add some output information here. I'm going to enter in name so we can just get the names of who those constituents were. And when I click Run, you'll notice here that it found those 24 constituents that were within 150 miles of 29403. So hopefully you would agree that that was very quick and easy. From this point, the query is saved and exists for you to continue to use, merge with another query, or just have on reference as you need it. And that's really all there is to it. Again, it's very easy to use. Note your zip code, note the radius, and specify the different address types that you want, and Record Radar will create that static query for you. I've heard great feedback from our users who have found that Record Radar is saving them a substantial amount of time to pull these types of queries. I actually recently had